channel, and I know it's been a week since I haven't uploaded a video, but you know, I just was like chilling, you know, and just like, yeah, but so I did most of my face off camera, as you guys can see, which is weird for me because I usually do my brows and then my eyes, and then I'll do my face off camera. But I just wanted to switch up my routine, do my brows and then my full face. Not my full face, I haven't put blush or highlighter on yet, but I bronzed and contoured, but I just wanted to switch my routine up a little bit. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm not naked, I have a shirt on, it's just very low, and this is going to be Coachella inspired, my take on a Coachella look, you know. But we're going to do this Coachella look, so if you want to keep watching, then, you know, keep watching. Alright, so we're going to put some powder under our eyes, which is the Airspun face powder, because I don't want any fallout to happen, so I'm just going to put some powder down here, so if there is fallout, we could just sweep it away with a brush. Alright, so I have like a bunch of palettes over here, so let me go through them because I haven't really gone through them to see what I want to go in with. So yeah. Alright, so I think I have a plan, I think. This might go totally wrong, but I think I have a plan. e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, there's two of these. There's a first one and then there's second Matte for Matte. But this is the first one, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a pinky color, so I'm gonna take that and put that in my crease just as a transition, so all the colors that we put in our crease will blend. And by the way, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, there's this bump right here, and I don't know where it's from. I have no idea. So if you see it, I am so sorry. Just ignore it, because I'm trying to ignore it. Alright, so it cut off when I was blending this in my crease, but I just took this Beauty Treats Beauty Blush palette right here, and I took the color, there's no like names for the colors, but I took this one right here. We're just going to dive in right into it. I don't even know if this will turn out great or not. Because if it's screwed, it's screwed. Like, I have to remove, like, the whole eye. And try not to remove the whole face makeup. So I'm thinking, you know how, like, Coachella is, like, very colorful and very vibrant, very vibey, what the heck? But it's just very, like, I'm thinking of actually going with the pink in the crease. And then something with blue on this eye and something with purple on this eye. We're going to try to do that. That might not work out so well. I'm going to take a brush, and I think I want to go in with this right here. No, because this is so hard, guys. Like, I just can't. Okay, so I think we're just going to do pink and blue. Let's just do all three. How about that? We're going to take this one right here as a little transition for a different purple that we're going to be using. And we're going to take that on a different brush, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye, like in the inner part, like a halo kind of. I'm kind of scared to do this look because I feel like colorful looks, they're so perfect on like blue eyes, and if I see a colorful look with brown eyes, I'm like, the brown eyes is kind of making it not as cool as it looks on like blue eyes, you know what I mean? So that's why I never really do colorful looks on my channel, because I feel like it just doesn't look good with brown eyes, you know what I mean? Even though I should still do colorful looks, because I probably will like them at the end, but I just never get myself to do it. So today, Coachella is making me do this. We're going to take the Tartiest Pro palette right here, and I'm going to take this one right here, which is called Drama, and I'm going to take that purple and put it on the exact same spot. On the outer part of the eye and the inner part of the eye. I have messed with like purples, but like I have like 2 purple makeup looks on my channel. Recently I've uploaded them, but they're not like this. You know what I mean? They're like wearable looks, you know? So I'm kind of like, I'm very scared of what this is going to turn out to be like. I'm going to take this brush again and blend everything together. I mean, it's looking good so far, but I don't know how it's going to look like in about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take the Alice in Wonderland palette right here, and I'm going to take, this is from Urban Decay, by the way. I'm going to take this color, which is called Bandersnatch, and it's a blue, and I really wanted to mess around with this color. I messed around with this color maybe once, and I really want to, like, play with it and stuff. We're going to take this flat, fluffy brush right here. Let's, like, say that a couple of times, and, like, you be messed up, because I just got messed up. But I'm going to take that color, Bandersnatch, and I'm going to put it right here, alright, on the inner part and the outer part on both eyes. And if you if the purple starts fading away, just add that purple right back, like right in the eye again. And it's okay if the blue gets on the lid, because we're going to be carving the lid out, not the whole lid, but the center of the lid, like a halo. We're going to be carving that out with concealer. So now I feel like on the inner corners of the eye, the purple is kind of gone because of the blue. So I'm going to take that purple again and just place it right back in there. Just a little bit, because you don't want to like cover the blue also, so just go in with a little bit. Now we are going to, I really don't know, the blue's kind of bothering me, but I think everything will look fine, hopefully, at the end. But I'm going to take a concealer brush, and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the Ivory Clear. I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to do like that upside down triangle kind of thing. I think that looks pretty cool, so, and I've always wanted to try it, so I'm going to do that. But I just kept going back and forth of what I didn't like and what I did like. I was trying to do the triangle thing, but it didn't work out well at all. I need to practice on that a little bit more. So I just did like a normal halo cut crease, and I just like blended the blue on the outside of it, and yeah, a lot happened. But I think I just want to take a plain white. I'll see later if I want to add like a shimmer color or anything like that. So I'm just going to add a plain white from the Tartiest Pro palette, and the color is called Vintage. And I'm just going to apply that right where we put that concealer to make it more white, because the blue kind of took away that brightening effect. So I just want to add some white to bring back that brightening effect. On the top of the crease, like up here, I want to add this Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet. You guys will see what I mean by put it up there, but I think you guys understand. Just put it right where the concealer starts, and yeah. Alright, so you saw me add a little bit of blue because I felt like the blue was kind of not as like vibrant as I wanted, so I just patted a little bit of blue with a brush, just so it's like you can see the blue and not like it's like nothing. Now what I'm going to be doing is tightlining my like, you know, upper waterline, and What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Then I'm gonna line a little bit of liquid eyeliner near my lashes with the Ciate London Fierce Flakes liner, and then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. And I don't know what kind of lashes I want to go in with yet, so I'll let you guys know when I come back after I do that stuff. Alright, so by the way, the liner that I use to tie line is this Smoke and Mirrors black eyeliner right here, and I just like, you know, tight lined. But I used these e.l.f. lashes, and I actually tried that spoolie thing where you like brush them out and make them look like more expensive than they actually are. And it works. It totally works. I really recommend doing that for like all cheap lashes, and I really like how it turned out with these lashes, like really did. And these are the e.l.f. Dramatic Lash Kit. It's just a dramatic lash kit. It doesn't say like, it doesn't say like a number or anything, but I really like how it turned out. I'm totally gonna be getting more of these lashes because they are like $1, maybe $2, and just spooling them out and make them look more expensive than they actually are, and it looks so good. The mascara that I use is this Maybelline New York Total Temptation in black, I assume. Now we're going to be doing the bottom lash line, which I don't know what they want to do. Like, should I do like a purple or a blue down there? I'm thinking a blue, you know. That's what I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to do blue. So I'm going to put this Smoke and Mirrors liner down there. And you could use like a blue liner. That would look so cool. But I don't have I have a turquoise blue, but I don't have like a blue, like an actual like blue color. So you could use a blue if you want to. I just don't have one, so I'm just going to use a black. And I'm also going to bring it down just a little bit on the like under eye a little bit down here, so we could blend it out and make it look Gucci, you know what I mean? And I'm going to take that blue color that we took on our eyes called Banner Snatch and just blend it out with just a brush. It really doesn't matter what kind of brush you take, just blend it out, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Alright, so I put the blue down there, and then I just put like some pink, the pink that we put in our crease. I just took that to blend it out a little bit, and it kind of turned into a purple, which I'm kind of digging. We are going to do some highlighter on the inner corner of the eye just to make it pop and stuff. We're going to take this infallible, 24-hour infallible eyeshadow from L'Oreal in Ice Latte, and I'm just going to put that right in my inner corner. And I also put that in my brow bone. I forgot to let you guys know. I did put that in my brow bone. And I'm also going to use this as my highlighter today. So, and I really want this to pop, so I'm going to keep adding, spray it with some water. So I've really been wanting to use this, and it's a L'Oreal mascara, and it's a blue one, and I really have been wanting to use this, so this is the time to use it. So I'm going to put some powder under my eyes so there's no like flakes from the mascara or anything like that, and then put this on. Alright guys, so that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This lippy, by the way, is this. I'll have it down below in the description because I have no idea what it's called. It doesn't even have the name on it or anything. Like, I don't know what it's called, so I'll have it down below in the description for you guys. But you don't have to go in with a red lip at all. Like, you could go in with a purple, pink, blue lip. I just went with a red one because my shirt is red, so I was like, I'm just gonna go with a red lip. I was trying to find like purple colors. Like, I brought out my purple colors, but there was nothing that really would match the look, and I just didn't like any of the colors with the look because I felt like it was too dark or too light of a purple, and I just didn't like it. So I went with the red, and I was like, that's it. That's what I'm going to be choosing. Just for your information right now, there will be videos going up on our regular schedule. We won't be skipping any videos. Just that week I just wasn't feeling it at all. So, this week there'll be no videos missed or anything, and next week there'll be no videos missed also. I don't know about the other weeks, but I promise that this week and next week there won't be any videos missed. So if you don't know, I upload on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 3 videos a week, and yeah, so if you like how that sounds, you should subscribe, and if you like how this looks, you should subscribe. I mean, I'm just saying. And also, once you subscribe, there's a bell button, so you should hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like and comment and all that jazz. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Wait till forever.